Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by saving your file and minimizing data loss. Auto recover helps, but save now. Once saved, disable add-ins because they're the most common cause of freezes. Go to File, Options, Add-ins, Manage COM or Excel add-ins and uncheck them. If Excel is unresponsive, you must force close it. Open Task Manager, select Excel, End Task, then reopen the file in safe mode by holding Control or running Excel/safe. These steps isolate external causes quickly and let you resume testing. Once Excel opens in safe mode, you can test whether the workbook itself causes the freeze. You should look for large arrays, volatile formulas like indirect, offset, now, or excessive volatile use. They recalculate constantly and slow Excel. Also check Data tab for external queries and pivot tables that refresh huge caches. If a single sheet freezes, copy its content to a new workbook in chunks to isolate the problematic range. Make sure to disable automatic calculation temporarily to prevent repeated freezes during. To finish, apply the corrective change you identified. Replace volatile formulas with helper columns or convert heavy formulas to values after verifying results. This reduces recalculation overhead. Then optimize by setting calculation to manual while editing, narrowing ranges, breaking complex formulas into steps, and refreshing external data only when needed. Save a clean copy and test. If problems persist, try opening the file on another PC or Excel version to rule out environment-specific issues. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals driver, add-in, or file corruption causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.